standing there by my side, and now you gon' be with me for the last ride.
It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way. Maybe I shouldn't try to be perfect. I confess I'm obsessed with the surface. In the end, if I fall or if I get it all, I just hope that it's worth it. Last year I fell flat on my face, and last month I knew something should change. Last week I started over again. Ask me and I'll tell you how I've been. Don't get me started. You got me nervous to speak, so I just won't say anything at all. I've got an urge to release, and you keep telling me to hold on. You got me nervous to move, so I just won't give anything to you. You got me turning all around to be who you need me to. Shut up, be quiet. Come on, be silent. You know I'm trying, so don't say nothing. Tell me you trust me and kiss me and hug me. Well, I would do anything for you. You just gotta love me. I got an itch in my throat. I don't know which way to go. I keep on switching, I know. I need a different approach. It's all because I wanna show you that I'm so capable. You got me nervous to speak, so I just won't say anything at all. I've got an urge to release, and you keep telling me to hold on. You got me nervous to move, so I just won't give anything to you. You got me turning all around to be who you need me to. Hush, baby, don't you say another word. Hush, baby, don't you say another word. Be quiet. Hush, baby, don't you say another word. Hush, baby, when you do, I just get hurt. Come on, baby, don't you hurt me anymore. I'm not the same way that I was before. I got goosebumps all over me when you're around, hard for me to breathe. Come on, baby, don't you do that anymore. It's not like the days when I You got me nervous to speak, so I just won't say anything at all. I've got an urge to release, and you keep telling me to hold on. You got me nervous to move, so I just won't give anything to you. You got me turning all around to be who you need me to. Hush, baby, don't you say another word. Hush, baby, don't you say
Идеальное сильное впечатление вообще. Такой красивый закат.
My lover's got humor. She's the giggle at a funeral. Who's everybody's disapproval. I should've worshipped her sooner.
Dead inside.
Every Sunday's getting more bleak. Fresh poison each week. We were going sick, open safe. After talking to me last week, she tells me worship in the bedroom. I was born sick, but I love it. And we
Я посмотрела 5-й сезон. сериала «Отель Гранд». Тут спряталась. Вышла от мамы моего друга, который в прошлом году скончался.